libre po sa ano, sa... Pero ang kukunin po yung set na po, yung may kasamang mic na.
May mic, may SD card.
Ito,
Ito yung
libre niya mga 6,000 pesos.
nagiging tripod.
Yes po, malapag-tripod po siya. Tapos, ang maganda sa kanya, pwede siyang ano, may remote mo rin. So, makakontrol niyo na po yung camera mo using the remote.
Kasi nandito yung mic niya. Hey guys, I'm currently using Canon or Sony have almost the same specs. Almost the same price. We're all coming. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, eto na yung na-purchase namin kanina. This is what I've got. I finally decided which brand I should be getting. This is it. So, I'm going to unbox this with you. So, I'm super excited to try this na. So, let's get started with the unboxing. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll know whenever I have new videos. And of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comment below if you have any questions or if you want to ask me anything. Alright, so walaan nyo kung ano yung kinuha ko. What I got was... Ta-da! I got the Sony ZV-1. So, nanalo siya over the Canon Mark III because let me tell you how I finally decided to get this one. So, let's unbox all the items first. So, the Sony camera comes with a kit, comes with the shooting grip, also comes with the limited pouch edition with strap and windscreen with this color, super cute. It's mint green, and also it comes with a 64 gig SD card. So let's unbox this new baby. Also, I got the black color. Meron din siyang white, pero I got the black one. So, we unbox this. Actually, we already unboxed this kanina sa store just to check if there are any cosmetic damage on the camera. And even so, you can opt to not unbox this sa store because you have 7 days to return the item for any cosmetic damage. Also, this comes with a 3-year warranty. 2-year warranty lang siya, but I think this promo right now is 2 plus 1. So, it's 3 years warranty. Yeah, this is the SD card. 64 gig. And then, this is the registration form. So, you have to register through the Sony website to activate your warranty. And of course, you have some documentation here for manuals and some preparations. But also, this is available online as well. That's the one on top. And then, open this. You have the cable for charging. And also comes with the black windscreen. This one. Here's the battery. See it? So excited! Ta-da! This is my new vlogging camera. So I finally decided to up my vlogging game. So I've been using my phone over the past year to create some videos for you guys. But since monetize na tayo, yes. No, but since I've always wanted to get a new camera na para I have the main camera for vlogging and then phone for backup. And then I also have GoPro for shooting action videos and underwater videos as well. I actually made a reservation for the Canon Mark III camera. So when I got there at the store, yun talaga dapat yung bibilin ko. But I saw this and doon ako nalito. Plus, they have the same inclusion as a kit. Because this one is of, they were offering same inclusions. Then, almost the same price. Overall, siya yung nanalo because I have my reasons why I got this Sony over Canon, and one of them is its fully articulated screen. So the screen is ganyan siya, and then you can flip it. Flip here. Masisira ko pa agad. You can flip it to face you when filming, especially when vlogging. So you can do that. With the Canon, it's the screen can only flip pataas. So ganun lang siya. The Canon just goes up, and then this one, you can also do this. Parang portrait mode. So, pwede din ganito yung orientation. Which I haven't tried, but I'm gonna show you that later. And then also, this has more intuitive menu system. Meaning, you can navigate through its touch screen feature. Also, if you are to compare this with the Canon Mark III, Sony offers more frame rate options in 1080p, and it has more effective autofocus system. Really, if you're going to compare this with Canon in terms of travel photography, landscape photography, vlogging, which I mainly use this for, and studio and action videos, according to a lot of online reviews that I've read, Sony has more advantage and higher ratings over Canon. So definitely it's a landslide win for Sony, and that's why those are the reasons why I got this. So here are the inclusions if you are also on the lookout for new cameras out there, vlogging camera, or new camera to try out. Let me show you the inclusions. It comes with the shooting grip. So again, this one is comparing to the Canon, meron din siyang shooting grip na kasama, but mas malaki yung sa Canon, which makes this Sony more compact. So this is a shooting grip. I would also prefer the compact one kasi para hindi siya bulky whenever you use it, especially when you're traveling. Alright, so this is the shooting grip. And this is super cute. Look how tiny the grip is. So just kasyang-kasya lang sa mga small hands ko. I-attach mo siya dito. And you also have the buttons here to shift from photo to movie. And I guess this has other features that I need to explore more. So, yun. And this also can be converted as a tripod. Yan siya. Super cute. Yeah. Okay, and this also comes with, ayan, it has some manuals for me to read on how to use it. And also it comes with a cute pouch. And this is a Sony tripod, by the way. And talaga yung one of the major reasons why I got the Sony over Canon eh. This isn't for sale. Sabi nila, also says here promotional use only. So, ginagawa nila siyang bundle sa camera. And this is, look, comes with a pouch. Para hindi ka na mahirapan sa how you store your camera, diba? Especially when traveling. And, ayan siya. So, and it has a strap as well. So, you could clip it to your bags. And yun siya. It's right here. Ano to? Oh, ito pala. So, it also comes with a windscreen. Same color as the pouch. Ito siya, oh. Nakaka-clip siya dito sa... So, this has different types of colors available. You have orange, you have purple, pink. I got the green one. Super cute! So, now let's try to use this camera for the first time. Hey guys, testing the new camera and the audio quality. And I'm just testing the video quality. I'm using the intelligence setting for now. I haven't played or explored the settings of this camera yet. So just testing this for now. And that is it guys. I'm super excited to try this new baby. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. See you on my next vlog. Bye! See you on my next vlog using this camera.